Okay, so let's talk phone numbers. This is a fundamental portion of your AI agent. You would need a number for outbound calls and for inbound calls. There's three different strategies involved for phone numbers, and you choose what makes the most sense for your business. But the simplest way and the easiest way is you purchase a phone number directly within HighLevel and you associate that number with the AI agent. Option number two is your client already has an existing phone number. You can go through a process called porting in order to port the number directly into HighLevel. Or option number three, they have a number they've had for many, many years and they want to keep it as is. They can simply enable call forwarding on that number and forward directly to the number you purchase within HighLevel. So in order to get that phone number set up, you log into your HighLevel account, you go to your settings, you go to phone system, and then you'd go through the process of purchasing a phone number. And if you're in the US or in Canada, you would need to go through an A2P verification process in order to send SMS messages. But just for phone calls to receive inbound or for outbound, you don't need to do A2P. Why phone numbers also are very critical is in order for you to record the conversations and keep transcripts of the conversations, you'd have to come here, enable call recording. This is what you would need in order to keep a recording of the phone calls. And this will be very effective for you down the line when you're building demos as well, because you want to keep a recording that you can reuse for demos. So that's all you really need to know about phone numbers. Three options. Purchase phone number directly within HighLevel, which is the easiest option. And I would assume about 90% of the people do that. Option number two, you go through a porting process. They have a number. They want to keep using the exact same number. They can port that number into HighLevel. It takes a few days to go through the process. Or option number three, if you have an existing number, this is the fastest way for the client in order to reduce any friction. They just, depending on who the carrier is, they just enable call forwarding on that number and they forward to the number that's directly tied to the agent in HighLevel, like the one you see on the screen. So if I have a phone number, I'm a dentist, I have a phone number I love, and I'm on Verizon, I simply have to find out what the star option is or call my carrier in order to forward. And I would forward that number anytime someone calls directly to the agent and that agent or the number itself. And that's what the number will be associated with the agent. That's all you need to know for phone numbers for now.